Hey everyone, welcome to Pro Cycle Repair with Ian. Today we're going to be working on that 2005 Honda VFR800 Interceptor, and we're going to be showing you guys how to change the oil. First thing you're going to do is you're going to warm up the bike, and then you're going to get a 17 millimeter socket, and you're going to drain the drain plug, which is right here. Then we're going to be loosening the oil filter, which is, where is a good angle, right there. Okay, so the easiest way to remove the filter is bringing your hand in like this and remove by hand. I did have to use a oil filter remover to get it off. I don't have the proper size socket for it, and then I just tighten it by hand. Don't forget your new crush washer on your drain plug. Once we get all the oil out, we're gonna come over here. We're gonna unscrew our oil cap right there. Put in our oil. We used 3.28 quarts of the 10W40 Honda oil. And once we start it up, we're gonna check our oil level down here on our sight. All right, so once you let it run for a little bit, then we're gonna come down here, check the sight, and make sure that we're in between those two. We're a little bit right above the minimum. So I'm gonna add a little bit more, and then we'll be done. Thanks for watching again, guys. Pro Cycle Repair, please like and subscribe as always, and I appreciate you guys. Thank you.